So let's talk about gesture and posture. Gesture is, of course, is the one of the most fundamental thing on the earth, because the way you are standing, the way you are sitting down, it shows like how confident you are. I hope you guys have heard about it that the most of us do not remember what we say, most of us actually remember how we feel. So whenever I am talking to you, it is more likely that you will not be able to memorize the thing that I have told you or somebody has told you, but you obviously can remember that what a person made you feel, and that's what it is. And when your gesture is okay, your posture is okay, then you know what, whenever you are saying, if you are say it in a confidence way, in a confidence manner, then the voice, the tone and the weight of your words will be increased drastically. Trust me, your posture is the main thing. Suppose you are in a conference room, your boss is talking and you guys are listening to it, or some colleagues are talking with each other and you are just a person who is listening. But whenever you are sitting there or standing there confidently, it will not look like others that you are a person who is just a student, or you are just a person who is just listening, you have nothing to say or nothing to collaborate with the plan or discussion. But when your posture is right, when you are sitting is in a very good manner, when you are standing in a very good way, that time people will say, all right, this person is very confident. That's why I am imposing very much on your gesture and posture, because that's the most fundamental stuff in the world right now. When we are watching YouTube videos, we are scrolling Facebook or Instagram, we always see that people are very handsome looking or very pretty, but most of them you have never noticed for having this good gesture, having this very good photo. There is a one thing that always plays a very vital role, which is amazing posture. So now I have said a lot of things about the importance of good posture, but I haven't told you that how you can develop your posture. So number one tips, identify that where your lackings is. Suppose you do not feel confidence when you are sitting, or you do not feel confidence when you are standing, or it could be both. But let's talk about the sitting posture first. The number one things that when you are sitting on a bench or sitting on a chair, first of all, go all the way back. Of course there is a supporter on on your back. Straight your backbone, try to touch the full your backbone to the back supporter, and that will make your posture more confidence. And please, when I have talked about the back side of yours, in the front side, please push your heart a little bit upper. And now when you are standing, make sure your hands are not closed, make sure your hands are not closed behind. Your hands will be just rest in peace. Put your hands down so that people can see that you are not hiding. Suppose when you are crossed your arms in front of you, it seems like you are something holding back inside you. When you are crossed your arms behind you, it seems that you are hiding something from the people. Probably they not may think about it in their conscious mind, but in their subconscious mind they always think about it, that obviously you something you are hiding from them. When I have told you that sitting, this is how you can correct your sitting posture and this is how you can correct your standing posture, if you work the both things at the same time, it will not actually be more productive. Let me tell you why. When you are multitasking, suppose you are developing one side, suppose you are sitting and you are correcting your sitting posture, do not try to, I will recommend you, do not try to correct your standing posture at the same time, because what happen is when you are sitting, when you are correcting your sitting posture, your all the attention goes to your sitting posture. So I recommend you just focus on one thing, and when you think that these things has become your natural activity, then move on to the next part. If it could be standing part, it could be the conversation part, and I will talk about the conversation part in my next videos. But comment below if you want that video or not. So that's what it is, guys. So this is how you can develop your gesture and posture. I will highly recommend you to follow us in every social medias, and also subscribe to our channels, like, share and comments. Share it with your friends and family if you find it useful, and of course I will see you in the next video.